How to bypass Windows 11 system requirements. This only works if you are doing a clean install. First, press Shift and F10. This will bring the command prompt. Then, type regedit and hit Enter. You should see this. Then, navigate to HKey Local Machine, System, Setup and make a new key named lab config. In the lab config key, make these D words shown on screen and set them all to 1. And there you have it, you can now install Windows 11 on unsupported hardware. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, subscribe to my channel for more content.